Hey, that's Donald here.
And Varito.
Today we have tech time. We have a special guest, my friend here, who will show you how to use wire work for your everyday arrangement. Coming up. So what are we going to talk about today?
Well, we're going to talk about the accents for and using the wire and as a regular for your daily work and for special bouquets or sympathies or whatever you're going to use. Wire is like the trend now just to use it.
Some people have problem with wire work. They try to make it perfect. They always have a problem with everyday work.
But let me tell you something, Donald. Trying just to work in perfection with wire doesn't work at all. They need to be imperfect.
Yes.
So as much imperfect, it's more natural and looks so beautiful.
Okay. So do you have a sample for
yes,
showing us?
I've been trying just to those nights that I can sleep. So I'm trying just to work a lot in my wire. So I've been trying just to use different kind of ways of wire and do something interesting. This looks like really like a spiral. But from here, just to move around and you open this spiral, give a little bit more options just to use it. So at that point, it's something like you can use this kind of wire like this one or thinner or thicker. So you can do a lot of things. That's incredible. The option that you can have.
What tool are you using? I saw you using a water tube.
I use, like in this case, I use the water tube because the size of this spiral. But you can use whatever you want. You can use the same
pencil,
or you can use even like a clip. That doesn't matter. It's depend on how big you want to.
How big the circle you want. Okay, that's good idea because idea all around you or tools all around you.
Exactly. You can use a piece of PVC, a piece of wood, the pencil, whatever you have on it. You don't need.
So do you have another sample?
Yes, this little spiral cover. Like this is a piece of metalino just to put on at the end of the metalinos. So I'll give you like an absence and like maybe do something nice in a hanging bouquet or like a cascading or in a regular centerpiece, something like a. I don't know, maybe something in silver or other colors.
You can glue flowers onto it too.
Absolutely, and actually at the end you can put like a feathers. So and give it like a little accent. This is it's more.
This is incredible. You can use it for like corsage work, everyday work, arrangement. This is like you see the movement in here,
exactly,
and then the accent of the wire. Just like so much to talk about.
Exactly.
Beautiful.
So the same thing is when you use the same wire, you can use a second piece of wire in different color. So at that point you can scroll and you can wrap it. So and give another texture and there's another option on. So you can go straight or you can go in with a different position. So that give you a lot of options to work with the wire.
So the base basically is like this.
Exactly.
Make it smaller, and then you have another wire on top of it.
Exactly.
To make it a little different texture, and different color.
Yes, and actually you can use all the kind of materials inside.
Same material.
Okay. Even like inside a son of you're gonna start wrapping the piece. So it's something like you can use. The same metalino or the wet metalino or another kind of a color and wire inside, so that will be awesome.
So this wire is from Smith Oasis.
Is the Smith Oasis?
Smith Oasis wire.
Yeah.
This is
so
gorgeous.
As soon as you have the piece done, you can use a piece of wire just to give like the inside.
Okay.
So you take it out from that front, and then you start scroll down all around. And open the spiral.
Okay.
So at that point, it's something like you have the option just to cover your primary wire inside.
So you can continue doing it.
Exactly. You can do like a longer as possible, and you can make long tail.
Long string.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. You have a sample here.
Yes, this is a sample where I can use with silver. In a bouquet, it's a regular bouquet, a bridal bouquet should be, or just for centerpiece or whatever you need to do. But in this case, I use the technique on my piece of metal lino, like this. So it's a metal lino.
Okay.
So in the it's just a little bit accent, especially for those brides that doesn't have like a lot of budget, just to put like a crystals or some expensive accent or decor inside. So this is very cheap, just.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
It's very inexpensive.
You know, like this is like in the market. I know we have a lot of choices for like jewelry and stuff, but this is like a finishing touch for your, almost like your personal touch for your hand type bouquet, for your finish, for your
Exactly.
signature. So you can make your own jewelry for this to put it inside to make it your own style. So this is good. Thank you so much for helping us
No, you're
today.
welcome.
And thank you, thank
Okay,
you.
nice. See you
So
next time.
see you guys next time.
Bye bye.
If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button below and share with your friend and subscribe. Thank you for watching this. Bye.